Creating a zero-waste bathroom is an effective way to help the environment and reduce the amount of trash we produce. Our bathrooms are often filled with single-use items and plastic packaging that contribute to pollution and waste. By choosing sustainable alternatives and rethinking our daily habits, we can turn our bathrooms into eco-friendly spaces. In this video, we will tell you some simple and effective tips to help you achieve a zero-waste bathroom. So make sure you subscribe to our channel Green Life Guide and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Adopt refillable containers. One of the easiest ways to reduce waste in your bathroom is by switching from single-use plastic bottles to refillable containers. Most of us use plastic bottles for shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and lotions. These bottles often end up in landfills and oceans, contributing to pollution. To combat this, you can purchase products in bulk or from brands that offer refill stations. For example, many health food stores and eco-friendly shops provide refill options where you can bring your containers. Additionally, some companies sell their products in glass or aluminum bottles, which are more sustainable. Number 2. Use bar soaps and shampoo bars. Switching to bar soap and shampoo bars is another excellent way to reduce bathroom waste. Liquid soaps and shampoos often come in plastic bottles, whereas bar versions typically come in minimal or recyclable packaging. These solid alternatives are not only eco-friendly, but also last longer than their liquid counterparts. You can find bar soaps and shampoos made from natural ingredients, free from harmful chemicals. Brands that focus on sustainability often offer packaging that is compostable or recyclable. Using bar soaps and shampoo bars can help you significantly cut down on plastic waste while maintaining a clean and healthy bathroom routine. Number 3. Use bamboo toothbrushes. Plastic toothbrushes are a major contributor to bathroom waste. An easy and effective swap is to use bamboo toothbrushes. Bamboo is a fast-growing, renewable resource that biodegrades much faster than plastic. Many bamboo toothbrush brands also offer compostable bristles made from natural materials. After using a bamboo toothbrush, you can compost the handle, reducing the amount of waste that ends up in landfills. This small change can make a big difference in reducing your environmental impact. Additionally, bamboo toothbrushes are just as effective at cleaning your teeth as plastic ones, so you won't have to compromise on oral hygiene. Number 4. Choose reusable cotton rounds. Cotton rounds are commonly used for removing makeup and applying toner. However, disposable cotton rounds contribute to significant waste. Switching to reusable cotton rounds is a great way to cut down on single-use products. Reusable rounds are typically made from organic cotton or bamboo and can be washed and reused many times. Some brands even provide washable mesh bags for easy cleaning. By using reusable cotton rounds, you reduce waste and save money in the long run. These sustainable alternatives are gentle on the skin and just as effective as their disposable counterparts, making them a perfect addition to your zero-waste bathroom. Number 5. Use safety razors. Disposable razors and razor cartridges generate a lot of waste. A more sustainable option is to use a safety razor. Safety razors have a metal handle and use replaceable blades that can be recycled. While the initial cost of a safety razor may be higher, it is more cost-effective over time. With proper care, a safety razor can last a lifetime, making it a worthwhile investment. The quality of the shade is also superior, reducing skin irritation and providing a closer shave. Number 6. Prioritize homemade toothpaste and deodorant. Many commercial toothpaste and deodorants come in plastic packaging and contain harmful chemicals. Making your toothpaste and deodorant at home is a great way to reduce waste and ensure you are using natural ingredients. There are many simple recipes available online that use common household items like baking soda, coconut oil, and essential oils. These homemade products can be stored in glass jars or tins, eliminating the need for plastic packaging. By creating your toothpaste and deodorant, you not only reduce waste, but also avoid exposing yourself to potentially harmful substances found in commercial products. Number 7. Use water-saving shower heads. Water conservation plays a crucial role in a zero-waste lifestyle, as it helps reduce the amount of water we use daily, thus minimizing our environmental impact. One simple yet highly effective way to achieve this is by installing a water-saving shower head. These specially designed shower heads are engineered to maintain good water pressure while using less water, making them an eco-friendly and cost-effective option. Beyond installing a water-saving shower head, you can also take shorter showers to further conserve water. By being mindful of your water usage in the bathroom, you not only contribute to a more sustainable routine, but also help reduce the strain on our planet's water resources. Every drop saved adds up, making a significant difference over time in promoting a greener and more sustainable way of living. Number 8. Choose eco-friendly cleaning products. Cleaning your bathroom is essential, but many commercial cleaning products come in plastic bottles and contain harsh chemicals that are harmful to the environment. Look for cleaning products that come in biodegradable packaging and are made from natural, non-toxic ingredients. Alternatively, you can make your cleaning solutions using simple ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice. These homemade cleaners are just as effective as commercial ones and are safer for both you and the planet. That's all for now. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section or DM us on our Instagram page, Green Life Guide Official. Also, subscribe to our channel, Green Life Guide, for more amazing videos. Thank you.